we'll guide you through how to cancel your Mailchimp subscription seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Mailchimp website. You'll need to log in to your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account profile by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Billing. This will take you to the account settings page where you'll see various sections. Next, go over to the Billing tab, which should be visible on the top menu. Click on it, and you'll find options related to your subscription plan. Here, you want to look for the Manage My Plan link. Click on it, and you'll see details about your current subscription. Scroll down to find the Cancel Plan option, which might be highlighted to make it easier to spot. Click on Cancel Plan, and a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Mailchimp may ask for the reason you're canceling, so you can either select from the available options or provide your own feedback. After confirming, your subscription will be set to cancel at the end of your current billing cycle. Make sure you receive a confirmation email from Mailchimp indicating that the cancellation process has been initiated. Remember, canceling your subscription means you lose access to premium features, so ensure you've downloaded any necessary data or reports beforehand. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.